Welcome to the new library catalog. We moved from our old library system to the new Bywater Solutions Koha. You can type librarycatalog.lafm.edu in the web address bar or search from our library website to access. Please note that now patrons can access their own account to view their current information. This is a reminder. Due to COVID-19, the library is currently closed. Patrons will not be able to check out anything from the library until further notice. No late fees will be assessed for overdue items, and you can return materials when the library reopens. Many of the library's digital services will remain available either through here or on the library's website. Visit the subject guides and A to Z databases list, including research-based articles, online streaming videos, electronic screenplays, and music-related databases. On the top header of every page, you can log into your account to view your items in your cart, view any private or public lists, and view your search history. Next is a search bar. You can search in the library catalog using the title, author, or any other keyword that you're searching for. Below that, you have options to do more advanced search for course reserves, and also look at the tags. Any important announcements or alerts may be found on the homepage of the library catalog, including library hours, contact information, and a circulating of books. Lastly, at the bottom will be the footer that will be on every page of the library catalog. If you ever checked out anything from the library before, you will have no problem logging in. Just click here at the top and click the login button with your LAFS credentials. If for some reason you are still having trouble logging in, try to reset your password. If that doesn't work, please click on Need Help with Logging In or email the library team. You can still browse the catalog without having to log in. Once you have successfully logged in, on the left-hand side, you can see your current checkouts or any library finds that you might have. Let's start by searching a title. Your results will be on the next page, and you can refine your research on the left-hand side by availability, authors, titles, and other item types. You can also use the Did You Mean feature, which you can select broader or narrow subjects. You can reorder your search results by popularity, author, or by certain date. You can also unhighlight the keyword that you searched for and select any titles that you wish to put in your cart or place on hold. For any title with a link, you can click on the electronic access button, which will direct you to the resource. For example, if you're looking for the e-video of Breathless, you can click on the item type, which will give you one result with more information regarding this title. You can also click on the electronic access link from here. Let's go back and do an advanced search. Notice at the top, you can use Boolean operators that are words like and, or not between typed keywords, so that way you can make your search more precise and save you time. Below that, you can search by the many item types that we have, search by shelving location, or by collection. Additionally, you can search by date range, language, availability, other content, and formats. For example, we can limit our search by selecting item type books and our keyword audio production. Then click on search. From there, you can select the title that you need. For every item record, you can view helpful information regarding the book's ISBN number, subjects, publisher, and other descriptions. You can click on the terms highlighted in blue to view more results on that keyword. Additionally, users can make comments, do ratings, and create tags for each item. Below the description, you can view each item, whether they may be available or not. If you plan to check it out at the library, you can write down the exact shelving location and the call number to view it at the library. On the right-hand side, you will be able to place holds, print, save it to your list, add it to your cart, and you can save the record. You can make additional searches where you can find and locate it at your local public library. This is a helpful tool if you are an online student trying to locate this specific item. Clicking on the Place Hold button will direct you to a page to confirm your hold request. Please note that you'll have 48 hours to pick up your item. If not, then it will be placed back on the shelves. Let's do another example by searching by author. Once given the results, you can select the title that you wish to save to your list. You can save the item to an already existing list or create a new one. For screenplays, you can click on the electronic access button, which will direct you to our Google Drive. In order to view and read our screenplays, you must be logged in with your lafilm.edu Google account. Going back to the library catalog, you can view your user account information on the top right. From here, on the left-hand side, you can toggle through the many different tabs regarding your account information. If you like to renew, check the box Renew and click Renew Selected. If it is successful, it would say Renewed in green. Though, if you are having any issues renewing by the Koha catalog, you can call the library or renew in person. You may view any fines that you have by clicking on the Your Charges tab. If you would like to pay, you may click on the item and select Make Payment. This will redirect you to the PayPal site where you can log in with your PayPal account or pay with debit or credit card by guest. Once you have paid online, you will receive an email regarding your receipt upon payment. In addition, you may also pay in person at the cashier's office and then bring back the receipt to the library so we may clear your fines off of your name. Going into your personal details, you can edit, change, or modify any information. You can add a secondary email or phone number. You will need to click on Submit Update Request so that library staff may approve your information. Clicking on your tags, you can view the list of tags that were approved by library staff. Think of tags like hashtags that were associated for every library item. On the next tab, you can view your search history. You can remove selected searches by selecting each search or by clicking Select All to remove all past searches. You will be prompted to continue on deleting your search history or cancel. You will have a chance to view your reading history. Your past checked out items will be listed here, and you can order it by date, title, and author. If at any time you can't find what you're looking for, you may make a purchase suggestion. Click on New Purchase Suggestion. This will direct you to a form that you can fill out. Some fields will be required, like the title, item type, and the reason for your suggestion. All suggestions will be considered and decided based on the need, relevance to the curriculum, and budget constraints. Once you have filled out the form, click on Submit Your Suggestion. If the library decides to purchase the requested item, you will be notified as soon as it is available for circulation. The more suggestions and feedback that you give to the library, the better the collection it will be. Click on Your Messaging to view your messaging settings. You may select or deselect your preferred methods upon receiving messages from the library. Currently, some phone providers are not working, so it's best to receive your notifications by email. On the last tab, you can view your list. You may click to view your list or edit and add more. You may also view public lists that library staff have created. If you are on a public or shared computer, remember to click on Log Out so that users may not use your account. For additional resources and information, you can log in to the library website at library.lafilm.edu or through Connect.